Hey guys, it's Krafts by Jazzy. So I'm actually on my way to go visit a friend. She's also on YouTube. We're going to be doing some crafting together, so I can't wait. Her name is Angel Creations on YouTube and Facebook, so go check her out and stay tuned.
Hey everybody, it's Jill with Angel Creations. Welcome back to my craft room. I have a guest crafter today. Welcome, please, Krafts by Jazzy. And we're going to do a craft collab together today. And I will be sure to link Krafts by Jazzy in the description box below. Make sure you watch her channel. She's got a great channel over there. And we actually met each other at our local Dollar Tree. Did you have your YouTube channel before we met?
Actually, no. I started it a little bit after the pandemic.
Yeah.
Around the pandemic time.
Yep, and I started mine in the middle of, right at the beginning of the pandemic too. So we're both relatively new baby YouTubers.
Yeah.
So, but we thought we would do a cute little craft for you today. We're going to be making this little bucket. We're going to call it a little bucket out of tin cans. Really inexpensive. We're going to reuse what we have, and this is going to be adorable. When we are done, we're going to put some foliage in it, and we are using napkins, and I believe they're all from the Dollar Tree. This one might not be from the Dollar Tree. I don't know. I have quite a napkin stash, but I think it might have been. But these are definitely from the Dollar Tree, and so beautiful. And basically, it's just going to be Mod Podge on there, and then we're going to fill it with some pretties.